Hey guys, Bren and Sarah here from Move the Needle Nutrition.
So we're here today to give you a quick rundown of where you have to be, when you have to be there, and what you have to bring.
Our first meeting will take place on Monday, May 20th, 2019 at 7 p.m. at Warlock Athletics. Our first session will be spending some time getting to know each other,
Going over some nutrition basics,
get moving in a little bodyweight workout, and end by discussing topics for our next class.
come dressed in sneakers and comfortable clothing that allow you to move. We will have handouts for you to take home, but feel free to bring a notebook or something to write on also.
Prior to your arrival, if you can please take some time to fill out our Move the Needle intake form. It will be attached to the welcome email. It allows us to get to know you a little better and ensure that we are addressing all of your personal goals and needs. The address for Warlock is 60 Firemens Way, Poughkeepsie, New York, 12603.
If you have any questions before our first meeting, feel free to email us at movetheneedle.us@gmail.com.
We can't wait to see you on the 20th to take action and get results.